Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to request a refund for your New Zealand visa application. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. So guys, this is the official immigration website of New Zealand, and they have clearly said that application fee can be refunded only in special circumstances. It cannot be refunded if you change your mind um, or if your application is declined. There are special cases, some of them they have listed as well, and they have also specified the process. So the process is there's a form that you need to fill up and you need to send it to the visa office that is processing on your application, so that they can take a look at it and they evaluate every application on case by case basis. So let's go through the form, guys. So this is INZ 1183 customer refund request form that we are gonna see how to fill up. Okay, so section A is about the applicant information: name, date of birth, postal address, email, phone number. Client number is also there, and you should put it out down so that they find out who you are. Application number, and if you have filed an EOI, registration number. Okay, signature date, information about the fee paid, name of person or business who paid the fee, so you know this, right? Date paid. Reason for refund: instead of giving check boxes or radio buttons, they have given a multi-line field so that you can specify. So be very clear and be very polite. This is what I would say. And then they have a section of payment details. At the end we have office use only, so don't go for that. Now there's a checklist. If you see checklist, there are check boxes on left and right. So left one is for office use only, right one is for you. So make sure you attach all of that and then you can apply to get a refund. So I hope you like this video. Again, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.